Ready to ditch cable and get live TV on your Roku? Let's walk through how to get YouTube TV up and running on your Roku device so you can start streaming right away. First, navigate to the Roku channel store on your home screen. You can usually find it in your list of channels or apps. Once you're in the channel store, use the search function. Type in YouTube TV using the on-screen keyboard or your Roku remote's voice search if it has that capability. Find the official YouTube TV app in the search results and select it. On the app page, click the Add Channel button to install YouTube TV on your Roku. This will download and install the app. The installation time will depend on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, the YouTube TV app will appear on your Roku home screen. Select the YouTube TV icon to launch the app. When the app opens, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. This is the same account you use for YouTube and other Google services. You can usually sign in by either entering your credentials directly on your Roku or using a link provided to sign in on a separate device like your phone or computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in process. And that's it. Once you're signed in, you can start enjoying live TV, on-demand content, and all the features YouTube TV has to offer right on your Roku now. Get watching!